Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Aselsan's KGK 84 Winged Guidance Kit records direct hit in first F16 live target drop test. Aselsan's Winged Guidance Kit 84, KGK 84, developed for 2,000-pound bombs, has scored a direct hit on a defined maritime target during its first drop test involving a target. The test munition was released from an F16 fighter jet and successfully followed predetermined waypoints to reach the target with high precision. The KGK-84 is the heaviest member of the KGK family and was observed during the test with a pitot tube on its nose for measurement purposes. According to the test profile, the system demonstrated its ability to navigate accurately from long range after separation from the aircraft. Turkish Presidency of Defense Industries head Haluk Gorgun said the KGK-84 once again demonstrates the high level our country has reached in guidance technologies. He added, "The Aselsan KGK-84 Winged Guidance Kit, which hit its target with a direct hit after being dropped from an F-16, has once again demonstrated the high level our country has reached in guidance technologies, with its ability to follow predetermined waypoints, with high precision from long range and advanced technologies that differentiate it from its counterparts in the world." Gorgun further stated, "Our guidance kits developed with national engineering power have once again confirmed the determination and technological competence of the Turkish defense industry in the field." He also noted, "These successes are the concrete outputs of our vision to produce our own technology and gain global competitive power with national solutions, which we have pursued with determination for years." Aselsan CEO Ahmet Akyol described the KGK-84 as a game-changer due to its strike power and attack capabilities. He highlighted its long-range capability for 1-ton munitions, cost-effective non-propulsive design, selectable impact angle, and high resistance to jamming, saying, "We will continue to develop longer range, higher accuracy, more cost-effective solutions, suitable for the modern conflict environment." KGK-84 is a long-range winged guidance kit designed for integration with 2,000-pound class general-purpose bombs such as Mk-84, Mk-84T, NEB, and NEBT, and is intended for use against stationary hard and soft ground targets. The system features integrated INS inertial navigation system, GPS global positioning system navigation, with a jamming-resistant antenna, enabling all-weather, day and night operations from ranges exceeding 100 kilometers without entering enemy airspace. With KGK-84, the Turkish Air Force is expected to gain the ability to deliver heavier munitions, including bunker-buster bombs, from long distances with high precision. The kit is positioned as a cost-effective alternative to cruise missiles and represents a significant enhancement to suppression and destruction of enemy air defense capabilities. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.